Hey everyone, today we're going to witness the amazing journey of reviving a very special mechanical beast. This engine comes from a submarine at Pearl Harbor. It's worn out and needs Koffler's magic to turn it into a superhero. From rewinding wires, reinforcing the structure, to balancing the rotor, Koffler uses advanced techniques and a skilled team to ensure the engine runs smoothly and powerfully. Using unique VPI technology, the engine is bathed in an epoxy layer that protects it from environmental damage, making it stronger and more durable. And here it is. After a stunning transformation, our superhero engine is ready for action. Koffler guarantees top-notch repair services, bringing any mechanical beast back to life and working at peak performance. Contact Koffler today for the best service around.